Bonjour, je m'appelle Titi. Je m'appelle Titi. Chabit, Botswana. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet another reaction. You guys know that I love languages, that I love African languages, but one of the languages that's spoken in Africa is French. Even though this artist is French, but I think he does still have the connection to Senegal, if I'm not mistaken. There's lots of creativity coming out of Senegal, because remember Aiko, there's Omar Say, and you know, and I think this guy, and there's so many other artists as well who have Senegalese roots. Anyway, that's not the point. Today I'm reacting to Tayc, one of my favorite artists in French. I listen to different kind of music in different languages, and one of the artists that I really listen to is Tayc, all the way from France. Okay, so let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.
C'est toi ma girl, oh you my girl.
Wow, it has like Michael Jackson. Creativity, man. It has like a Michael Jackson, you rock my world type of vibe.
Tu sais bien ce que tu fais.
Hey.
Quand t'es posé à la table du DJ. Oh, à toi seul tu élèves mes idées. Oh, pretty lady, your body on top, yeah. C'est toi qui nous jettes les billets. Oh non, t'as pris toute la life donc les autres girls te maudissent. Tu connais le monde, tu connais son vice. Un jour le tout se paye. So baby,
oh my god, this is a good vibe. Yo, Tayc is one of the biggest artists out there in France, so like, what can I say? Go check out his stuff, you will fall in love with him. So.
Un jour où tu seras mienne, so baby girl stop playing. Parle-moi de toi, ne me dis pas que c'est le mauvais soir, et deviens ma girlfriend. Oh, ma girlfriend. J'ai dit non, vas-y, parle-moi de toi. Ma vision s'éclaircit dans le noir. Et deviens ma girlfriend. Oh, ma girl.
Oh, man.
Mais quand tu danses comme ça, je n'arrive plus à prendre sur moi. C'est toi ma girl. Oh, ma girl. Mais quand tu danses comme ça, je n'arrive plus à prendre sur moi.
Hey, what in the world? This is Michael Jackson if he was French. What happened? It just turned to be a horror film. What's going on?
Baby girl, don't stop. J'ai bloqué les autres, je te l'ai dit, no cap. Tu seras la seule, ouais, tu seras la seule, oh yeah. Oh baby girl, je t'en prie, don't stop. Avion privé, toi et moi, on va.
I'm as confused as he is. What happened?
Tu seras la seule, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. Tu connais le monde, tu connais son vice. Un jour le tout se paye. So baby girl,
is that her?
Moi aussi je connais le monde et j'ai cramé ton vice. Un jour l'autre tu seras mienne. So baby girl stop playing. Parle-moi de toi, ne me dis pas que c'est le mauvais soir.
Hey.
Oh my girlfriend, my girl. J'ai dit non, non, vas-y, parle-moi de toi. Ma vision s'éclaircit dans le noir. Et deviens ma girlfriend. Oh my girl, oh my girl.
Hey, what's she doing?
C'est toi ma girl, my girl. Mami, quand tu danses comme ça, je n'arrive plus à prendre sur moi. C'est toi ma girl. Oh, my girl. Mamie, quand tu danses comme ça, j'arrive plus à prendre sur moi. C'est toi ma girl, oh my girl.
Whoa, that was a whole movie. I felt like I've watched a few of Tayc's recent songs. They're all like feature films or something. Like he's no longer just doing music, he's doing movies. Also, he's a good actor. Wow. Okay, I don't know. That song was a lot. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, see you guys on the other side.